My client called me this month, and not to complain, not with a question, he called to tell me that someone found his business online and sent him a quote request for a $30,000 demolition job. And here's what I need you to understand about that. I am not some marketing guru with a big agency and a team behind me. I am literally just getting started. I charged him $497 a month. I built his website this month with the help of my best friend Claude. I set up a voice agent to answer his calls. I set up a reputation management system to build up his Google reviews. And this is my first time doing all this together, but the system worked. And the call from my client, that's when I knew that this was real. Now inside my community, I'm watching people close deals in the industry nobody talks about. A cleaning company, $909 a month. A wellness clinic, $297 a month. And this one came from a recent call in our community.
So it was $2,000 and $297 a month, MRR. So that was my first one. It felt
Girl,
cool.
that's amazing. That's your first client and you did
It
that?
is.
That's different niches, different prices, same platform, same skill set. None of us have it figured all out, but we started and we're getting wins. But we set this system up once. Maybe we go and make some changes, but the bulk of the work is done in the beginning. So today, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap, how to sell AI agents to local businesses in 2026. Step by step that actually gets them results. And I want to show you how you can do it for free. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, so here's exactly what we're going to be covering. Why local businesses are losing money right now and why they don't even know it yet, what you're actually selling and the exact words to use so business owners immediately get it, how to build the full system even if you've never done it before, and the niches that nobody really talks about that are actually converting. So stay with me because the niches section alone is going to change things for you guys. So let me tell you why businesses actually need this, because this is a true story that just happened for me. So my mother-in-law's rental property had a flooding emergency. My husband started calling restoration companies. Every single one of them said 24/7 on Google listing, but when he called 4 of them, not one picked up. He didn't want to leave a voicemail. He wanted to talk to someone or just someone to pick up the phone, but no one did. That business is worth hundreds, not maybe thousands of dollars, but no one answered. And that is happening right now in every city, in every industry, every single day. These businesses aren't bad at what they do. They just have a systems problem. Calls going unanswered, leads coming in after hours with zero response. Customers who asked a question once and never heard back. They are losing revenue they don't even know they're losing. That gap between the leads they're getting and the leads they're actually closing, that is what you're selling. You're not selling software. You're not selling a chatbot. You're showing them missed revenue, which we're going to get more into in a second. But let's talk about step 2, what you're actually selling. And this is where most people get stuck, and I want to clear this up fast. If you walk up to a business owner and say, I sell AI agent, they will stare right at you. That phrase means absolutely nothing to a plumber, a dentist, or the owner of a cleaning company. Here's what you say instead. I set up a system that makes your business never miss a lead again. Your phone gets answered 24/7. Your happy customers automatically leave you Google reviews, and your website shows up when people in your area are searching for what you do. All of it runs automatically. You don't have to touch it. That's it. Now they're listening. The full system, I call it the AI growth bundle. It has 4 pieces to it. 1, the voice AI agent. This is the core. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up in a second. This is the AI agent that answers calls, responds to messages, and books appointments around the clock. Next one is reputation management. It's an automated workflow that sends a review request after every completed job. It runs in the background, stacks Google reviews, and feeds directly into their local SEO. Now I have a client, a text preparer. She started with 13 reviews before we started working together. We set up an automation, ran a reactivation campaign to her past clients. She now has over 100 reviews. She went from page 2 on Google to the number 4 spot for text preparer near me. That is huge, and she pays me $297 a month for this. 3, the SEO optimized website, built with AI, Claude. It wrote the entire copy for my client's website. I put it in Go High Level, used one of their templates, and just put in the copy that Claude told me. And now it's ranking on Google. And I did it this month, guys, and it's already showing up in the search results, getting him potential leads. And I'm not an SEO expert at this kind of stuff. 4, CRM and follow-up automation. Every lead gets captured. You set up a follow-up sequence if they need one. Nobody falls through the cracks. Now, here's the pricing flexibility that makes this model work for everyone. Full bundle, you can charge a $1,500 setup plus $997 a month. That's what someone in my community charged a cleaning company. They closed it, done. Now, me personally, I charge my client $497 a month. I did no setup fee because I'm just starting out and I want a long-term client more than a quick payday. No, I want someone that can pay me every single month for years, not just a couple of months of a high ticket and then nothing. So that's how the way I'm thinking about it. Price is not fixed. The price matches the problem that you're solving. And that is what makes it so powerful. There's an entry point for every type of business and an upsell path already built in. So step 3, how to build it in Go High Level. Now, everything lives inside Go High Level. This is the platform I use to create my agency. And I'm gonna walk you on the computer to show you how it kind of works. Okay, so this is Go High Level right here. This is the dashboard right here. This is one of my accounts right here. And I'm gonna just quickly show you how to create these voice AI agents I was talking about. And it's super simple. So if you go right here, once you're in, you go to AI agents. And then what we're gonna do is create an agent. So we're gonna go over here to voice AI. And then we're gonna create a new agent. Go to create custom agent. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to just call her Sarah. And then the business name is going to be Bonds Heating and Cooling. And this is the cool part. You can do, the language can be multilingual, which is pretty awesome. Like if you go all the way down and put multilingual, if they answer the phone saying hola, they'll actually start talking in Spanish. And then there's only 2 names that I really like in here. It's Dakota and Nova. This is how Dakota sounds.
The 90s were fun because it was a time full of new.
But I really do like Nova. So we'll choose her right here. And I'll show you what it sounds like in a second. All right, here's the agent initial message. She'll want to say, hi, thank you for calling Bonds Heating and Cooling. How can I help you? Now, this is the important part right here, and this is what you need, and this is where I give everyone in my community. My coach created this GPT where it actually trains the agent on any type of business, and this kind of what separates my agents from anyone else's. So I'm gonna quickly show you how this works. I'm not gonna go through the entire thing for the sake of time, but this GPT is a game changer. It's gonna help train my agents. So it's gonna, if I just click on this right here, it's going to give me the questions that I need to give this the appropriate prompt. So it's asking, what is the name of my agent? I say Sarah, and then it asks me, okay, good. What is the name of your business? And then I say Bonds Heating and Cooling. And automatically, by me just saying Bonds Heating and Cooling, it's going to recognize that this is an HVAC company. It's pretty cool. All right, and then the time zone is central, and it's asked me the questions in order to do this appropriately. So now it's asking me, what I like about this so much is I don't know how to train this. I don't know what to say. So it says, what should Sarah's initial greeting be? Then it gives me an example of one. And then I put in my greeting right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy and paste this for the sake of time. And I'm gonna go through this and it's going to say, what is the main goal of your agent? For example, booking, HVAC appointment. See, it recognizes it's an HVAC company. Answering customer questions, capturing leads. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight all of this and keep it moving because I don't know, it's helping me realize like, oh yeah, it can do that, it can do that. Let's go. And then it's gonna give me a prompt and I'm gonna go take that, copy that prompt, and I'm gonna go here and press next. And then I wanna capture these couple things. I wanna get their name when they call. Depending on the business, you're gonna get their address because it's an HVAC company. Then you wanna get the context issue. And then context issue means why are they calling? Everyone's calling for a reason, and this is how you want to do it. Then you want to go to switch to advanced mode, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste the prompt that I just showed you from here. I didn't go through the whole process on video, but I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here, and I'm going to call the agent so you know what it actually sounds like. So let's take a look.
Hello, thank you for calling Bonds Heating and Cooling. How may I help you?
Hi, it's really hot outside today and our air is not working, so we wanted to see if someone can come and stop by and check it out.
Got it. Let's get that taken care of for you. Can you tell me a bit more about what's happening with your air system? For example, is it not cooling at all, making any unusual noises or something else?
Yeah, it's not cooling at all.
Thanks for letting me know. I'll help you schedule a technician to check that out. Can I start by getting your full name?
So that's just an example of how this works with voice AI. It can actually take calls, answer questions, and send the whole conversation to the business owner so they know what happened during the call and what happens. Now, I didn't actually show you everything, but it can book calls, it can transfer to a human, it can do text messages, it can do pretty much anything. But this is what you can set up for businesses so they don't miss calls and can at least collect the information that they need for people who are calling their business. Next is reputation management. How does their reputation look online? That's very important. If they've been doing business for 30 years and they only have 5 reviews on Google, that's not a good thing. They have a list of all their past customers and they've never sent out a review request. That's actually very good for you because this is what you can do, a reactivation campaign. And that's what I do. I take all their past customers and I send them through this automation and have them go through this drip process. And if they respond to the first request, they get out of the workflow. But if they don't respond, we send out a text message 2 days later just to give them a little nudge. And after that, it's over. You don't want to annoy people, but this works. I had a client go from 13 to over 100. I had another client go from I think 15 to 70. And that was just in 2 weeks. This thing works and it helps them get higher rankings on Google. That's really the strategy here. The more visibility that you can get when people are searching for you on Google, that's the goal, that's what you want, and that's what your clients will pay you for. Now, how is AI involved in this? Well, with the reputation management, the AI responds to every single review that's on Google. So it's not just a good review. You also respond and let them know that thank you for your review. Who's responding to these? It's usually no one, but you let AI do it for you. And then it also posts to your social media, keeping it look engaged, keeping people understand that you're getting happy customers and reminding you that they're doing good work. And so this is what you do, and this is how you can set this up one time and let it flow for your customers. Then the website. Now don't let this one scare you guys. Now I used a template from High Level. I asked Claude to write me out a fully SEO optimized website for this client. And I did everything that it said, everything. It even helped me transfer his old site because I didn't know how to do any of this. I just said, how do I do this? I sent screenshots and it told me exactly what to do step by step, and I did it and it worked. It worked so good. He's so happy that he's working with me because I'm getting him results. Step 4, the niches nobody is pitching. So I have to stop here because this is the part I actually wanted to make for this video. And everyone online is telling you to go after plumbers, HVAC, roofers, and those do work. But those niches are so crowded right now. Every agency owner, every Go High Level reseller, every person who watched a YouTube tutorial last month is pitching those same businesses the same thing. So I want to tell you where there's almost no competition. Pet clinics, high urgency, emotional customers, a missed call at 9 p.m. about a sick animal means that owner calls the next vet on the list and never comes back. Wellness clinics, chiropractors, acupuncture, massage therapy, med spas, all appointment driven, all losing after hour leads. Now I will say you do need to be HIPAA compliant to approach these businesses, which you have to pay an additional $200 a month for. So since I'm doing this on the side, I don't want to get involved in that, so I'm not doing anything that involves HIPAA. Now law firms, solo practitioners, small practices, one converted lead can be worth $5,000 to $50,000. When you frame the ROI that way, $297 or $497 a month, it's a rounding error, but they are not easy to get to. Now in my community, I do show you how I scored a lawyer. Now cleaning companies are another one. Their best leads are doing when they're working. Most cleaning businesses, they respond the next business morning, but that could be a mislead. And underdog contractors like excavating, demolition, concrete, fencing, hauling, these guys land $10,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 jobs. They have almost no digital presence. A full AI growth system is a complete cheat code for them. That's the formula for finding your niche, is to just get out there and ask business owners, what do you do for marketing? Most don't have a plan, and that's where you come in. All right, so you got the offer, you understand the build, you know the niches, now you need clients. And that's exactly why I built my 30-day sprint, because this takes work and understanding and just knowing how to actually create a pipeline, how to get leads. You need coaching for this. And I'm gonna give it to you for free for 30 days because I know how important this is myself. Starting with no experience, you don't know what to do. You think you might know, but when you're actually in the game, you're like, what do you need guidance? And so that's what I want to do for you guys. I'm going to help guide you in the first 30 days because with High Level, the same platform that I just showed you, you get that for free for 30 days. So I want to help you get your client within the first 30 days so the client can pay for the software for you. So that's why I created this 30-day sprint to actually give you free coaching inside, my scripts, the templates, a website template, everything that you need to get started to build your own business so you can start this for yourself. But I want to show you how other people are actually doing this and how this one woman got 4 clients within 1 month without any cold calling or ads. So week 1, this is exactly what she did. She reached out to a landscaper in her area. She found him on Google, noticed he had almost no reviews, and offered to help him get more. That's client 1. Week 2, her house flooded. The contractor who came to fix it only had 2 Google reviews. So while he was literally in her house, she showed him what she does. He skipped the free trial and signed up on the spot. She turned a flooded house into a paying client. Week 3, she saw a mobile detailer's van outside her neighborhood house. She looked him up on Google, no website, 8 reviews. So she walked over, introduced herself, gave him some free advice. He asked her to build his website and manage his Google profile. And week 4, the cleaning lady who cleans her home. No website, no Google profile. She built her website while the woman was still cleaning her house. And when she saw it, she asked what she normally charges and she signed up. She made $1,088 a month in recurring revenue. No ads, no social media posting, just being strategic and having an offer that people actually wanted. Every single one of those clients came from just paying attention. She didn't just sit at a computer blasting code emails. She looked at the world around her and asked, does this person have a website? Do they have reviews? Can I help them? That's the whole strategy. But that's not the only way to get clients. So take advantage of this 30-day sprint because it's free to those who sign up with my high level link. Now, if you already do have high level, I do have something special for you guys so you can still take advantage of my community that I'll put in the description below. So, do you guys want to try this? Let me know below in the comment section if you're still here and you want to try it. Put in the word agency so I know who actually sticks around to the end of my videos. I'd love to see you guys. Now, if you like this video, YouTube thinks that you are going to love this next one, so check it out.